Hey guys, it's time to check out the performance of the Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 against the top dog from Samsung, which is the Samsung Galaxy S8. And not just any Galaxy S8, the Android Oreo-powered Galaxy S8 with improved and faster software experience. So before we get into this speed test, I want you guys to know that I am giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy A8. It's gonna be an international giveaway. To enter this, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, that's where I'm most active, and also give me a follow on Twitter. And lastly, leave a comment below. I will be picking a random comment on February 20th. So as always, we're gonna start this test off with a Bootup comparison. So 3, 2, 1, go. And okay, Galaxy A8 comes up first. Samsung actually used a new chipset with this series, so we have the Exynos 7885 processor. So really want to see how it's gonna go against the Exynos 8895. So you can see the Galaxy S8 comfortably wins in terms of booting up, and there's not much of a price difference. I mean, the S8 is now a old phone. It's gonna get replaced by the Galaxy S9 pretty soon. The A8 is a new Samsung phone and it's costing $630 here, so it's not truly a cheap phone. I mean, the last year's models were costing around $500 something, or the base model was actually costing less than $500. So this time the story is different. But let's see how it's gonna go in the actual performance. So everything is closed up in the background, as you can see, no application whatsoever. 4GB of RAM on both phones, same Wi-Fi network. So let's start off with the first application, which is going to be the phone dialer. So here we go. And as you can see, the Galaxy S8 was a tiny bit faster there. Moving on to settings. And again, same story. Let's take a look at some third-party applications, starting off with Snapchat. And faster on the S8. Let's launch a heavy game, which is going to be the Subway Surfers. And let's see, okay, Galaxy S8 obviously is gonna win. But you can see the A8 2018 right behind it. I mean, performance might not be the best thing about this processor. I mean, compared to the top end, it might be the better one when it comes to the battery. So I will be doing a battery drain test really soon, so make sure to subscribe for that. SoundCloud. Galaxy S8 done. Spotify. And again, same result. Smash hit. And as you can see, almost the same. Maybe the S8 was a little bit faster there. Let's go ahead and launch Alto Game. And open up at the same time on both phones. Who is going to be faster? Of course, the Galaxy S8 proves to be faster. And pretty much S8 is going perfect. Like I said, I mean, the Oreo performance is top notch. If you guys have watched my speed test with the Oreo update, you guys know that S8 is truly a beast with this update. So we're gonna launch one more game, which is the pinout game. And Samsung Galaxy S8 it is. Let's check out Play Store. And pretty fast on both phones. And lastly, we're launching the cameras. So that is a little bit quicker on the S8. Now let's jump into the browsers real quick. So we have the wikipedia.org first website, and pretty fast. Galaxy S8 a little bit quicker there. You can see scrolling no problem whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. Let's head over to apple.com, and one more website. Seems like a little bit quicker on the Galaxy A8 2018. So congratulations, the first win for you. I forgot to launch the Instagram, so I'm just gonna do it here real quick. And as you can see, of course, the Galaxy S8 faster with the latest feed. We're gonna check out my profile, and boom, that was really quick on both phones. So now let's just quickly check out the RAM management, because this is where the phones, they do tend to refresh a lot of applications, especially the 4GB RAM Android phones. So we're gonna go here with the phone dialer first of all. Keeping up nicely, both phones, no problem there at all. We're gonna go to the settings, and that is still there. Snapchat, still there. Subway Surfers, okay, that is pretty awesome performance right there. I almost thought that we're gonna see a refresh, but both phones are keeping stuff in the memory. Really surprising performance from the A8. I mean, it was slower everywhere than its big dog Galaxy S8. But you can see it is keeping up pretty much every application in the memory. Like no refresh whatsoever till now. Smash it. That is also there in the memory. We're back to the auto game. Still there, as you can see. Pin out. Still there. Play Store. Okay, back to the browsers and back to the Instagram. So wow, what a explosive performance in the RAM management. Not a single refresh on either phones. I mean, I honestly thought that the A8 would actually refresh applications, at least one or two, but it kept every app in the memory, and it's the 4GB RAM variant. I don't think they're gonna release the 6GB RAM variant anywhere other than China, but you can see that it may not be super snappy as the Samsung Galaxy S8, but it is pretty fast phone, and also it keeps all the applications in the memory. So yeah, I'll be doing some more speed tests. Let me know which phone you want to see to be competed with. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.